I'm doing a box challenge, and it's a Barbie, and it's an opening box.
Alright. What kind of toy is it?
A Barbie toy.
Okay, let me see you open the box. You need help?
Yeah.
Look at the back of the box. Now Paul. Alright. This is how it looks.
Look.
This is how it looks when it's out of the box.
I hate creepers right there. It's scary. Don't take a picture of my bed.
I'm not taking a picture of it.
Oh, you just put it in on grandma? I hate that.
Why do they got these sticks and shit hanging out their dog's hair like this? That's okay.
Then we put it right here.
Mommy, how do you take it off?
Now that she's done and we have all the stuff out, she can start playing with her. Why'd you just do that? That's not fun. Let's start. You're gonna start combing her hair first? Need help?
Yeah.
Hand me it. Here you go.
That's how you make our hair pink? Huh? Where's my phone? Look at my purse.
They can't let me. What's the directions?
What?
Yeah,
What?
the directions.
Directions.
The directions.
Directions from you? What are you so mean?
My head is hurting. And my dad's making me want to eat yours.
Alright, just do them without the directions. Just come on. Just come on.
Mommy's getting pinker.
It is?
Yeah.
Oh, I have a sore on my nose. It looks like it's turning white to me.
Is good one? Oh, because it's white. Because it messed the color. You know what? The tools I rest are really good. Why the mess the thing up? And can't do it.
Why don't you try this?
Okay.
Alright. Mom, see a video. Let me see a video.
Did grandma fry them wings?
Huh?
Did grandma fry chicken wings?
No.
What you eat?
Me? Oh, I have a burrito.
Mommy, look, her hair's getting pinker.
Is it?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Do the front. Do the white part in the front.
Do the front. Her tablet's finna die soon.
Go pick
No,
her.
do the front right here.
It's not her, I think.
Huh? The house on that side turned pinker.
Did
That-
it?
Yeah, it wasn't that pink before.
This one's getting lighter. The white is getting whiter.
Alright, we're gonna have to cut it soon.
Cut it?
Yep, cut
I
it.
don't see the cut.
No, we're gonna have to cut it soon. The video. We're gonna have to cut it soon.
Okay. Oh, it's something in the
We'll
middle.
be cutting it in 3 more minutes.
Okay, what's the cut? What's the cut?
We don't have any cuts. How about putting on some new nails?
This is her nail.
Grandma do some wings.
And this is for her. This is for her. This is for her. Here. So,
Where's the box of chicken wings?
Sherry. Ooh, Sherry. Hey, since your name tonight, ain't it? Your name Sherry?
Alright. We're finna cut it in 1 more minute.
I know I whooped my young brother ass putting her feet up.
Actually, you didn't look like it.
hey, don't touch that. Nobody touch my things.
I'm just looking at it, trying to show them.
This shit. Buddha
Congratulations. Daddy, congratulations. Thank you.
Wait. Congratulations. Thank you.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Nobody loves no hair. I'm not gonna go see the cook. I mean, we can watch the show. Let's watch the show.
Okay. So.
Okay, we finna eat it. We finna eat it in 20 more seconds.
Okay.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.